In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this Chinese tea set. And what this is a overall tea set for anyone that's, you know, if you're like me and you just enjoy tea, maybe even coffee in general, this is something I would recommend. So let's just go over the packaging. Very nicely packaged. I really like this kind of hard shell box that came with it. They've got these cool looking zippers that run down. They look to be stainless steel zippers with a handle, carrying handle right here. And to open it up, you want to make sure you open it up facing upward. So the writing needs to be up on top, and you see how it opens. Very nicely presented. You see all of this. Actually, my tray's a little loose, but you see how it's all packaged in here. I took it out and looked over it and put it back in the packaging because I wanted to really show you guys exactly how you get it. So let me go over what you get with this thing. So first off, you get a little towel and some little kind of sticks for picking up your tea and all that. I love this kind of tray rack system right here. Let's pull this out. So you've got this wooden tea tray that looks to be possibly bamboo. You can see how it's constructed right there. So it just fits down in there just like that. So right here is your pot, and this is your tea fair. I think that's called a tea fair. Here's the handles. So the handles are really cool. They just basically tuck away in there, and then you screw them on just like that. Look how nice and neat that is. That looks very premium, everybody. This would be something you'd be proud to get out of your actual like setup and show. So this is how you would actually, so here's your actual strainer. That's some extra tops that go on there like that. And then this will go down in here. Here's the lid. This lid would go right there like that. You take it, and then these cups, you get 6 of these little cups. Is this not nice? Look at these cups, and it looks like it has kind of like Chinese writing on the top and the sides right there, and it looks to be some sort of mountain chain. So you would just get your like little small cups. We only need 3, but you've got 6 in there. And then you would strain your tea with this. You would use your strainer. You would set that aside, put your teapot on there. So then you've got your tea fair here, and it's the same type. It's got some Chinese writing on the side right there and the mountain chain and all that. You would basically just go down, and this would be your server. So that'd be the server thing right there, and any type of tea leaves or anything you'd be able to pick up with these little sticks, which looks to be some sort of like little clip for chopsticks. And then you got all of your like cloth over here, and it's something that'll be very nice to kind of be very presentable. You grab the whole thing like this, and see how I can walk out with it. And then when you're ready to do your tea, you just sit there and do your tea. I'm impressed, everybody. This is very affordable, and considering what all you get, I think it's a great option for anyone that just kind of wants a nice looking tea set for around about everything, or actually what I'm going to probably use it for, which is coffee. You know what? Who doesn't like making some good drip coffee, then serving it in these little shot glasses? So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the China tea set / coffee set. See y'all in the next video.